Oh shoot! We're here at the SilverStar bike park again, and this time we're gonna do blast off to get down to the lift. Last time I did easy street, so we'll see. Now here we go, blast off. Oh, I landed really far on that one. What the? Alright, we're gonna do Shazam. Here we go, Shazam. Oh, those berms. Oh, that's really dusty. Whoa, that's slick. Oh, I'm covered in mud. Right when I thought that I wouldn't get wet today. Oh. Oh, that?
Oh, you missed it.
Oh, that's so weird. Oh, that's weird.
Cool, eh?
Alright, we're gonna do LTG. Alright, now we're on LTG. It's got some wood features on it. Oh. Oh, haha. That's fun.
That's cool, eh?
Oh yeah, there's a fly in my helmet. Ooh. Oh. Will we try that?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah, when I first went up to it, I was on way too high gear, so I couldn't pedal. Yes.
Good work.
Alright, yeah, we're not gonna do this today. Oh, that's fun. Alright. Whoa. Huh? Oh yeah, that's easy. Jeez. Come on, let's try this.
That is the weirdest turn, this one.
That's a long line. All right, we're gonna do World Cup. It's a black. I'm gonna be careful. Whoa, what is this? Oh yeah, this is pretty techy. That's a big wall ride.
Like the wall ride, eh?
Yeah, that you need a lot of speed.
You need a lot of speed for this one.
You can like see like the lines where people have like scraped and fallen down.
Yep.
That was doable.
I thought it was gonna be bigger.
That was like more like the LTG one. Whoa.
This is a roll.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's steep. Whoa! Oh, I felt a bit weird on that one. Oh, shoot! Jeez! I'm good. Oh.
Did you get it on GoPro?
Yeah.
That was a lot.
Okay. I thought you guys said something. So we just finished at SilverStar pretty much. We did LTG, Shazam, World Cup, and then 2 runs of SilverStar. Overall, I was pretty happy with my first time going to a bike park. I had that one crash where I slammed my shoulder into the ground, but it was fine because I had shoulder armor on. I was just kind of chilling out because it was kind of more of a flat section. I wasn't really thinking that I needed to control my tire very much. And then it kind of just drifted off to the side into a sand pit, and I got vaulted to the side of my handlebars. Other than that, it was a great time. I'm going to make a video of Grouse, Red Mountain, and Whistler at some point in the next month or so. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.